What's up, y'all? Going down here to see how many of these dumbass people we can catch on tape. Stupid ass gang stalkers. I just had to check one of these fucking clowns, cause you know how they like to, throw the psychiatric or warfare in there, the psych, they say certain shit to try to trigger you and they make it seem like they're talking about one thing, but really they're firing shots at you. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not the fucking one. I'm not the one to be played with. Like, I will fight you. Just put it that way. I'm getting tired of these people, man. I'm gonna end up going upside one of these clowns' heads is what's gonna end up happening. It's all fun and games. You know what I mean? Until somebody gets hurt, And I'm just not the one. Straight fucking clowns, man. That's what these people are. Straight fucking clowns. He doing his job. There go a red car though. Red car. Y'all seen the red car? Yo, I was coming to this store yesterday, y'all, and this old ass lady tripped on the curb. Now, I don't know if she really fell or it was street theater. But the old ass lady fell and hit her face on the concrete, and I walked over, and she was a gang stalker. She had the red coat on and the face mask. But I had walked over to to help the lady up. And I just wondering if they told that old ass lady, trip on the sidewalk, just to, create some street theater. You know what I mean? Because that's the type of shit these dumbass people do. How you doing? Can I get a pack of Newport 100s? 100? You only have the soft pack?
I only have this.
Alright, never mind. Thank you. Actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and... I'll take them.
Two packs?
Just one. Fuck out of here. Come in here and harassing somebody. Gangstalkers just walked in. Stalking bitch. Look, gang stalkers pulling up. They stalking. Red car. One headlighter. This shit's just madness, y'all. And it just boggles my mind, that they would devote this much time, energy, money, resources into one person. Look, here come another red car. Another red car. Yeah, y'all see it. Devote that much time, energy, money, resources, and everything else, manpower, into harassing one individual, You know what I mean? I could see if I was like, you know, like a cartel member, or, you know, an actual real terrorist, or, you know, something like that, you know? Look, red truck. It's just a dumbass, a big dumbass game, man. And, you know, I'm gonna start checking these motherfuckers, man. You know, and then when you confront them, they have this dumbass look on their face, like, what are you talking about? Like, bitch, you know what I'm talking about. Don't play dumb. Earlier, they had a red truck sitting there, and the guy had his arm out the window. I didn't get it on camera, but, yeah, this shit just crazy, man. But it's like, what do? It's like, you can either kill yourself, or just deal with it. You know what I mean? Look, here come a one headlighter. Look, one headlighter. Ah, they try to turn the headlight back on. Red car though. See, these people, they got a toggle switch in their car, and they can turn the one headlight on. But they know I'm recording. They didn't want me getting that footage, so they decided to, you know, turn the headlights back on. Here come another red car. Here come another red Jeep. Red Jeep guy. Look. Red Jeep. Red Jeep. But yeah, man. This shit's just fucking ludicrous. Look, they got the bright ass fucking headlights on. But yeah, man, you know, and you know, these people that are playing into this shit, you know, the orchestrators, the perpetrators, whatever you want to call them. Well, they're perpetrators, not orchestrators. You know, it's like when you confront them, they try to play dumb. You know what I mean? Like, bitch, I know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. There ain't nothing stupid about me. I know when somebody's firing shots at me, when something's directed towards me. You know what I mean? So, yeah, it's just, this shit is just like out of pocket, man. And it don't, you know, make a difference if you pick up and move somewhere else. They just gonna do it wherever, you know, wherever you move to. I could leave the country right now. You know what I mean? And they just gonna do it wherever I end up, or wherever I would go. They just gonna do it, because this isn't just a United States thing. This is a global thing. Like, they doing this shit all over the world. I think we in the end times, y'all. I really do, because a lot of this stuff is in the Bible that you know, that they're doing. And you know, I'm not super duper ultra religious, but I do believe in, you know, something, you know. And a lot of this stuff that they doing is in the Bible, you know? And like, even just like, you know, all the weird stuff that goes on nowadays, like, you know, dudes wanting to be chicks and chicks wanting to be dudes and dudes marrying dudes and women marrying women and people identifying as, you know, animals, cats and dogs and, you know, all this kind of weird stuff. I mean, I'm not against, you know, what anybody wants to do. I mean, whatever you like, but God don't like that. You know what I mean? And I think that's why we're in the end times now, because the world has changed so much, you know? But, alright, y'all. Well, I'm gonna shut this camera off because I'm gonna run out of time. I'll holler at y'all.